Hi friends, so welcome everyone in my channel, and today here I am in Nandabakkam World Trade Center, Chennai, and this is a video particularly I am making it for a special event, Bharat Seafood Expo, which is going to be held here in this very spot, and behind me you could see this is the World Trade Center. So as an Department of Official, we are going to our the Department of Fisheries potential and the purpose is all the investor and invest in Andaman and then exploit the fisheries resource in Andaman. So the tomorrow morning, the expo will be held, and we are ready. Our preparation is also in full swing for the expo, and we are very much hopeful that more number of investors will be interacted, and they will be they will be told and they will be advised the benefit of investing in Andaman Nicobar Island. So we'll meet you then tomorrow and in the expo. Thank you. Hi, good morning friends. So back we are in action. So finally our stall is very much ready, and we are waiting for chief guest to come and preside over the inauguration function. This is the stall of Andaman Nicobar Administration, and we will showcase what are the potential and package we can offer for the investor to invest in development of fisheries and to visit.
Thank you, distinguished
from the government, industry leaders, exporters, overseas buyers, representatives of research institutions, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you to the Seafood Expo Bharat 2026. It is indeed a privilege to welcome our Additional Secretary Commerce, whose leadership in shaping India's export strategy comes at a defining moment in our nation's economic journey. Today, this gathering is much more than another industry conference. It comes at a time when India is preparing for the next leap in international trade.
And Ambana Protocol. India has always been a maritime civilization. For centuries, our seas connected us to the world. Today, they connect millions of Indian livelihoods to millions.
connect what Jawahar ji spoke, what Ajay Batu ji spoke and said, and the words that they have used is greater value, greater trust and greater sustainability. How do I and members like me take those about Indian seafood and bring that to markets around the world? Hopefully my presentation will share a little bit of those insights. I'll begin by saying gratitude for my presence here to Shri Piyush Goyal ji, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh ji, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Shri Jawahar ji, Chairman of MPEDA.
And then as well from Impediment at this amazing expo here at this conference center. FTA has a long partnership with the Government of India, food agencies, and has collaborated on seafood, spices, and on implementing food safety regulations. Our relationship with IMPEDA as the lead agency for regulatory partnership has been critical in moving this initiative forward, and we look forward to many more years of working together on food safety.
Okay, so far you did not enter the fishery. Okay. This was the first time. Okay. So you're looking forward. So you're
और बाय प्रोडक्ट से जिस ह्यूमन एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है that's perfectly fine. So what I'm saying is since you already have a candidate in there, why don't we have a market for that. आप 100% मिलेगी मैं कह रहा हूँ अभी बताइए Manav Tourist Connect, Manav has people already. They are now, we were doing sardine thing, Runaway of the DRS thing, Udam Hector also. We want to give 12 महीना के अपने species. Hopefully once we enter Tuna as a good candidate.
or sardine also.
Sardine also we do.
Challenging ourselves from going a $2 billion industry from marine to a $30 billion, $8 billion industry to a $30 billion industry. These are the few challenges what we'll have to consider as well. Coming to a progressive side of the industry, piloted by FSI, I've seen earlier, piloted by a few of my friends in CMFRI, but this is done on a smaller board. And these are the challenges, and this is why I have also partnered with them, because on the West Coast there are so many lot of brave fishermen, so many unions who are excited, to try new things. And that is the reason we need support from FSI, we need support from CMFRI, we need support from schemes like PMMSY. Two newer schemes. The schemes have to be designed for.
One time we had some young fisheries and he was also young food player.
This is a very important stall here in the Expo, EIA Export Inspection Authority of India. So right now in Andaman, we have only one EIA approved plant, but we are hopeful in the coming days more EIA approved plant will come in Andaman to harness deep sea fishing resources and also to export to European and American through this EIA competent certificate. Hi Hi friends, so we are in a very special stall here in this expo. We are in this RGCA stall where RGCA in their breeding program have successfully conducted the breeding of Asian Seavas. And these are the smuggling of whipped tilapia. It's all effort of the RGCA, and they have already and this is very interesting. This is the mangrove crab which we found abundant in our Andaman country. So this is the crablet that is done by hatchery of RGCA. Got one from 60 of so things started. The video this is actually a
Where it is located?
sir, it is my
Where
Right.
is this NBC for Monoda? NBC?
Sir, it is in near to my
Oh,
the
that
middle.
also near.
The middle. Now I think they are not stopped. But sir, I have got a lot of clients who came for this Monohan. So I have requested them, to talk to the RGC about the start.
Sometime I will.
Sir, please. So I have survey to my secretary ma'am that I want to ask you. Thank you, sir. Friends, good evening. So this is the final day, and we are this expo has been concluded, and fairly I would say the responsibility which I have been entrusted by the department. I have tried my level best to meet maximum investor, and I have tried my level best to convince those investors and make them understood what Department of Fisheries means and what are the infrastructure and post infrastructure facility in progress, and particularly in the exploitation and of deep sea fishing resources, like tuna, and also this open sea, sea cage culture and other. Because we have now sea leasing policy, so thrust area was sea leasing policy. Investor can come and lease the land for cage culture and then other important shellfish and finfish species culture, and also the tuna, and how to exploit more tuna in the backdrop of the this deep sea fishing policy of Government of India. So friends, here I am concluding this exhaustive and day 3 of our participation in the Chennai Expo 2026, and I like to show my gratification to Director Ma'am, who has reposed faith in me, sending me and Uday to exhibit our department's plan, program, and then how the department is investor friendly. Thank you so much.